Today, we're talking about mission-driven marketing in healthcare and why it's essential. Whether you're a seasoned healthcare marketer, an agency exec, a startup founder, or just someone curious about how purpose drives success and ultimately powers your marketing, this episode is for you.
Welcome to What's on Tap, your prescription for digital health marketing.
Hi, I'm Rafael Cosentino, Vice President of Business Development for Tap Native. If you don't already know, Tap Native is an ad platform focused on healthcare, medicine, and wellness, and our ads appear on a network of thousands of premium health and medical websites like ShareCare, Drugs.com, HealthDay, WebMD, and many others. When brands only talk about their product, it gets stale pretty fast. So it's critical to be able to engage about things that are not product offers, but are genuinely interesting. And that includes communicating how and why your company does what it does. Mission-driven marketing is personal, it's intimate, and when it's done right, it creates powerful and engaging storytelling. At its core, mission-driven marketing is the practice of aligning your company's marketing with your deeper purpose, which is always to make the world just a little bit better. This isn't about catchy slogans or using buzzwords. It's about weaving your positive mission and even your struggles into the very fabric of your brand's identity. Why is this important? Well, we all know it's a very noisy web. We're all bombarded with offers, and we all know commercial offer fatigue is very real. By embracing mission-driven marketing, your company can foster far deeper connections, build trust, build vocal advocates, and ultimately create more meaningful engagement. I'm going to share 3 examples of companies doing a superb job integrating mission-driven marketing into how they tell their story. My first example is a brand called Salonpas. We've actually worked with Salonpas for almost 3 years, and we love the brand. Salonpas is a brand of topical pain relief products manufactured by Hisamitsu Pharmaceutical Company. It's a Japanese company known for its expertise in transdermal drug delivery systems, including skin patches and creams. And Salonpas products are widely used for relieving muscle and joint pain, available in many retail pharmacies and grocery stores. Salonpas effectively employs mission-driven marketing by aligning its brand with a clear message, empowering people to live pain-free lives with accessible and effective topical pain relief solutions. First off, they focus on wellness and quality of life in all their messaging. In their videos, on their website, in all their imagery, there's a wellness and quality of life theme, and it's very evident and woven very nicely throughout everything they do. Salonpas positions itself as more than just a pain relief patch. It's marketed as a tool for enhancing everyday wellness. Their messaging emphasizes improved mobility, productivity, and overall comfort, encouraging consumers to return to normal life activities. They also invest heavily in education-driven content. Salonpas invests in educational campaigns to inform patients and healthcare providers about pain management, muscle care, and the benefits of topical analgesics. They leverage blogs, videos, and infographics to teach consumers and healthcare pros about how their product can be a safer, non-addictive alternative to oral pain medications or other RX medications, which can have adverse effects like drowsiness, nausea, or worst of all, addiction. So this is a key part of their health-conscious positioning. They are actively promoting opioid-free pain relief solutions, aligning themselves with global efforts to reduce opioid dependency. Their mission-driven message resonates with consumer patients and healthcare pros who are seeking to use and recommend natural, non-invasive treatments. Salonpas frequently sponsors community wellness events like marathons and fitness programs, reinforcing its commitment to active, pain-free lifestyles. These events create incredible content marketing opportunities, and they build the company's culture too. By partnering with all types of healthcare providers, Salonpas expands their reach while staying true to their purpose and creating trusted advocates for their brand. They also leverage user testimonials and real-life stories, demonstrating how real people overcame pain using their products. This authentic narrative helps build trust and reinforces their mission to provide effective pain relief. Often their digital content emphasizes their tagline, "World's #1 pain relief patch." This reinforces their global credibility while promoting an accessible pain relief solution. Salonpas markets to consumers and healthcare pros, like physicians, nurse practitioners, physician's assistants, and many others. These are the people making treatment recommendations to patients on the front line of healthcare, So they want them to understand the uses and the safety for their brand. Take a look at how one of their Tap Native ads is displayed to authenticated healthcare pros across Tap Native's network. You'll notice the ad uses an unbranded photo of their product, and the ad's headline and source deliver the key messages. The ad takes users to the pro side of their website, where they can opt in for free patient samples, and the Salonpas website offers all sorts of resources for HCPs like clinical information, research studies, medical reports, and updates on all their different products. Again, all specifically created for healthcare pros and in collaboration with healthcare pros. Salonpas marketing succeeds by blending educational content, wellness advocacy, and impactful storytelling, all tied to their mission of helping consumers live healthier and active, pain-free lives. By highlighting real-life pain struggles from athletes to seniors, Salonpas builds an emotional connection with its audience, reinforcing the message that they care about their customers' well-being and that this is at the core of what they do. So, put your marketing hat on. All of these patient stories, these events, these partnerships, this advocacy, it creates incredible opportunities for new content, for new posts, for social media posts, for emails, press releases, all of which can be pushed out through social media, amplified in paid media, and used to generate earned media as well. As marketers, we understand that all of this content creates a gravity, and that engages people, and it pulls them in and develops a real connection, far deeper than a typical product marketing funnel. My second example in mission-driven marketing is called FloWater. I love this company for a lot of reasons, and not just because I've known their founder and CEO for 25 years. I'm super proud of the company the team has built. FloWater's mission embodies everything they do, and their mission is very simple. The elimination of single-use plastic water bottles, which, as we all know, fills our oceans and landfills and releases harmful chemicals and pesticides that can poison us, poison our wildlife, our ecosystems. That's a mission. Bottled water is expensive, so why do people pay for it? Well, because it's cleaner than tap water and it tastes better. What FloWater is doing is they're disrupting bottled water by transforming ordinary tap water into the clean, tasty water that we get from plastic bottles. FloWater has built its brand around sustainability, wellness, and environmental consciousness. This marketing strategy is deeply tied to these values, allowing them to connect with consumers on a more meaningful level. Here's a few examples of how FloWater leverages mission-driven marketing on their website. First, they integrate compelling visual content, from infographics about plastic waste to highly evocative video campaigns showcasing their environmental impact. They highlight statistics like one refill station prevents the use of up to 2 million plastic bottles annually, which reinforces their sustainability message. They highlight the state of our current public water infrastructure and point out ways you can quickly understand the contaminants that can be found in your local drinking water. Here's Rich Razgadis, their founder, in the news talking about just that.
How do you find out what these chemicals are, and then what do you do to ensure that you're safe?
Well, one of the things that you could do is go to EWG, Environmental Working Group, ewg.org, and you can type in your zip code, and it'll give you a complete listing in your zip code of what chemical contaminants or other pollutants may be in your tap water. So that's one thing you can do. The other thing you can do is you can assume that you're drinking a chemical cocktail when you drink out of tap water in the United States, because of pharmaceuticals, herbicides, pesticides, many years of many chemicals, many years of very aged infrastructure. In the U.S., we've got municipal water treatment plants, which do the best job that they possibly can do, but they're aged infrastructures with aged piping that goes back 30, 40, 50, 60, even 80 years. So what people need to do now today, we live in a world where you have to treat your water twice, which means you really need to filter or purify your water at whatever that drinking source is.
Notice he didn't mention the product a single time. FloWater's customer base are organizations that buy or lease these refill stations, and these units can now be found in the world's biggest brands like Fortune 1000 companies, hotels, medical centers, fitness centers, as well as thousands of schools and corporate offices all over the U.S. In this way, FloWater is aligning with organizations that share their eco-friendly value. And the company frequently participates in environmental initiatives, encouraging neighborhood and beach cleanups, and educational campaigns to promote awareness about plastic pollution. And by actively engaging in real-world efforts, they strengthen their brand's authenticity. FloWater also taps eco-conscious influencers, fitness pros, and sustainability advocates to spread their message organically. Now, as a marketer, your mind must be racing. All of these activities create incredible opportunities for new content, for social media posts, for emails, press releases, guest appearances, all of which can be amplified with paid media, used as retargeting for people who abandon carts or who just visit your website, and they help generate earned media. By consistently tying its product to environmental responsibility and personal health, FloWater turns its mission into a powerful marketing tool. This natural strategy taps into consumers' growing desire to support brands that align with their values, especially around sustainability, health, and wellness. My third and final example of mission-driven marketing is a medical publisher called Healio. Healio.com is a prominent medical news and education platform that caters to healthcare professionals. They leverage mission-driven marketing by aligning their brand with a core purpose, empowering clinicians with actionable insights to improve patient care. Healio's platform is tailored to medical specialists like cardiologists, oncologists, dermatologists, and others, ensuring that each audience receives curated, hyper-relevant content that improves their decision-making. And they collaborate with key opinion leaders across all these specialties so the content is trusted. And again, so they have vocal advocates helping to drive audiences and distribute more content across all the different channels. The audience joins in the mission of staying informed, and they share the newest content. This strategy reinforces their commitment to improve specialized care, which enhances their credibility among healthcare pros. Healio frequently highlights advancements in personalized medicine, telehealth, and other innovative treatment strategies, and this focus is not just interesting, it pushes healthcare pros to do better. This is a video of the Chief Medical Officer of Healio Dermatology, Dr. Joel Gelfand. He's reporting from the American Academy of Dermatology conference. I'm not going to play the whole thing for you or even let you hear the sound because it's very clinical, but he does a superb job doing a news roundup of the drugs and treatments and other insights right from the event. By attending and reporting from key medical conferences and creating content in collaboration with key opinion leaders, Healio positions itself as a trusted partner in advancing modern healthcare practices. Their entire platform feels designed to foster an engaged medical community by providing forums, comment sections, and platforms where HCPs can exchange ideas with one another. Their focus on collaboration strengthens trust, and it reinforces their mission of enhancing medical expertise. So why does all this work so well? Well, by aligning its content, its education, digital platform with the goal of improving patient care and collaborating with key opinion leaders, Healio establishes itself as more than just a medical news site. It becomes a mission-driven partner in the healthcare ecosystem and a leading destination site for healthcare pros. Their product is the content, and their social media posts, their emails, other communications provide access to the newest content and key opinion leaders in the know. Like many medical publishers, Healio spends enormous amounts of time and money producing and distributing great content. By the way, producing medical content isn't inexpensive. In fact, one of our core missions here at Tap Native is to support healthcare and medical publishers in the creation and distribution of high-quality content. Between our parent company, eHealthcare Solutions, and Tap Native, we've already paid out well over $120 million, and that's growing fast. And that ad revenue supports their editorial staffs. It supports their medical writers, their editors, including all sorts of licensed healthcare pros who help create and review the content. And by improving access and fostering connectivity between patients and healthcare providers, high-quality content drives engagement. It enhances treatment adherence, and ultimately it leads to better health outcomes. So yes, we are very proud to be supporting the creation of high-quality health and medical content as part of our core mission. Of course, the other primary mission is to drive industry-leading engagement and results for digital healthcare marketers, but we'll save that for another episode. As we wrap up today's conversation around mission-driven marketing, let's remember this: people aren't looking to be sold to. No one enjoys being bombarded with offers to buy stuff all day long. But most people find real joy in listening to real stories and in connecting with brands and personalities that align with their values and their interests. The most impactful brands don't just tell people what they do, they show them why they do it. And that why resonates far deeper than any product offer ever could. Mission-driven campaigns can improve customer retention, brand loyalty, and performance metrics across the funnel. And they'll create far more content and actionable opportunities for marketers. When your marketing is driven by a meaningful mission, whether it's improving lives, protecting the planet, or empowering communities, you're not just promoting a product, you're inviting people to join a movement. So as you build your brand, focus on purpose first, because when you lead with your mission, the right audience will follow. And if you like hearing about digital healthcare marketing, healthcare publishing, or all things ad tech, please don't forget to like, subscribe, or follow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching What's on Tap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and share.